You see the headlines almost every month. Another alleged Forex investment scheme raided and shut down in Manila. Yet, completely separated from that news cycle, professional Filipino traders are consistently withdrawing massive, legitimate profits straight to their local accounts. This creates a dangerous psychological gap. Are you operating a legal trading desk, or are you just accidentally waiting for the authorities to knock on your door? Forex trading in the Philippines is not inherently illegal. Your legal standing depends entirely on the specific regulatory framework you operate within. For the uneducated trader, the boundary separating a protected personal operation from an illegal scam is perilously thin. Mastering this legal paradox is the mandatory first step to evolving from an amateur speculator into a highly compliant financial operator. To map out your legal boundaries, you have to understand exactly who regulates the Philippine financial sector. The Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, or BSP, holds a macroeconomic mandate. They manage inflation and the stability of the peso. They do not issue licenses for retail Forex brokers. The Securities and Exchange Commission operates differently. The SEC actively shields citizens from unlicensed entities trying to sell securities. When the SEC issues a cease and desist order, it is almost always triggered by unlicensed solicitation. Collecting money from friends, family, or neighbors with the promise of guaranteed returns is illegal. The mechanism that protects your trading career is called the Personal Funds Framework. As a resident citizen, you have the absolute legal right to use your own personal capital to trade on international markets. Keep other people's money out of your accounts. Never promise returns to third parties, and you entirely bypass local securities violations. Once you secure your legal footing, the next hurdle is systemic friction. Amateurs bleed capital to hidden fees before they even execute a trade. Traditional bank SWIFT wires force you into unfavorable exchange rates, losing 3 to 5% instantly. This diagram illustrates the professional workaround. By using integrated payment gateways like GCash or Maya, you fund your account instantly, bypassing the sluggish international banking system. Utilizing a PHP-denominated trading account through these gateways eliminates the constant drain of USD conversion fees entirely. The second major friction point is physics, specifically execution latency. If your broker houses servers in London, your data travels across the globe, creating a 200 millisecond delay. This guarantees massive slippage during major news. Tier 1 regulated brokers with dedicated Asian servers solve this, dropping latency to a near-instant 30 milliseconds. For a Manila-based trader, a server located in Singapore acts as the ultimate low-latency hub for precise trade execution. Zero-fee local funding and physical server proximity build the required foundation for profitability long before you apply a technical strategy. When your optimized infrastructure yields heavy, consistent profits, you face a new hurdle: banks flagging massive inflows. To remain compliant, Forex earnings must be formally declared to the BIR as foreign-sourced income under Section 24 of the Philippine Tax Code. Meticulous record-keeping is your defense. Routine downloads of your broker's statement of account act as definitive proof of your capital's origin when the bank asks questions. Registering locally as a self-employed professional allows you to legally deduct your high-speed internet, hardware upgrades, and terminal subscriptions from your taxable income. Respecting the SEC's boundaries, optimizing your GCash funding pipelines, and structuring clean tax records completes your evolution from retail gambler to a bulletproof financial operator. Don't sabotage your own edge by trading on outdated, high-latency platforms that simply aren't optimized for your region. Transition to the FXNX ecosystem. Execute with zero-pip spreads, connect directly to ultra-fast Asian servers, and fund instantly through local channels. Open your professional account today.